Hey, hi, hello, this is Sarvana from A4 Analytics, and in this video, we're going to see about how to create a decomposition tree in Power BI. Stay tuned. And in this video, and we're going to see how to create a decomposition tree in Power BI, how we can make them interact with other components in the real estate canvas, and so how to do that. So in this visualization pane, you can see a lot of shots, so line, area, pie chart, bar chart, everything. So here you can see decomposition tree, Q&A, so which are AI enabled. So if these visualizer are not available in your desktop or desktop, you can select it from here. You're gonna to go to insert, and here you can see different visuals. And here you can able to see AI visuals. There you will have a QA key influencers decomposition tree. So we will look at these things in another video. So in this video, we will talk about decomposition tree, right? And so before going to that, so I'm gonna create a very simple dashboard. So I have a title, A4 Analytics and A4 Analytics University. So this is gonna create a map. Let's see. City. Oops. Sales. Okay. So it has a lot of data. Let's go for a country. Country. Yeah. Very simple one. So I have a country map. So I'm gonna create um, decomposition tree with it. So just click it. So or like any other element in the Power BI, so you can to resize it whatever you want. And so if you click it, it's very simple. It just has a three fields expected: analyze, explain by, and tooltip. And you know about the tooltip. This is the thing, when you hover over it, you can see the country and sales. So this is called tooltip. So this is very simple. So the two things we're going to add is analyze and explain by. So when you mean by analyze, it is a metric, it is a measure. So it requires a measure. So I'm gonna add a sales to the analyze field. Sales. So as soon as you add it, you see a simple bar, decomposition bar, one of branch in a tree. And in explain by, I'm gonna add. We can add multiple fields here. So I'm gonna start with let's say we start with category, and I wanna add subcategory as well. You can see here. So I'm gonna add country as well. It is similar to this, similar to what we do within the table or other areas. So this is a kind of hierarchy. So as soon as you add it, you can see a plus symbol. So this is to split your data from the sale. Let's say I want to add another category. Uh, category. Let's say I want to add subcategory to it. We will have a subcategory. Let's say I want to add a country to it. Country. Yeah. So we can rearrange it based on what we require. Right. So this is not just a simple static image. So this is entirely dynamic. So this is the dynamic AI visual from Power BI. We can interact this visual with any other components. So let's say, I'm gonna select United States country, and you see. So as soon as I select the United States, so this has a full bar, and these values are changed automatically. These numbers also changes depends on the selection of another element in the dashboard. So you're gonna select another one, Russia. It barely has the data, right? So this is the thing, and not only let's say, so I'm gonna remove it, country category. I can do it, you know. So I go to a technology, and now I want a subcategory. Okay. So but you see in this list in explain by, we have a category, country, and subcategory. We already have a category here, and now we don't want country. We want a subcategory. How to do that? So we don't need to worry about that as well. We just create a subcategory. You see, this field will gets to the upper shelf automatically when you select it. Yeah, I can do it. I can do it. So just remove the country, remove the subcategory, and you see now this is the country, this is the category. So now the I want a subcategory to be visualized, not country. Just left click it, subcategory. You see, so it automatically changes. And this is one of a very flexible thing, so you don't need to worry about just about the country and subcategory. And let's say you want AI enabled metric, so that is automatically detected by Power BI. So let's say you just wanna have a highest value, so you don't know what to do, just give a highest value. So when you say select the highest value in a subcategory, it automatically sorts the highest value. We have a phone, copier, machine, accessories. When you select higher value, you can see a little bulb which tells us that this is AI visual, which is selected by Power BI engine. Okay, so here you can't see that. So we don't have bulb here. We only have bulb over here only. You know, so I'm gonna do it again. So I wanna have a low value. Let's say. So this is the lowest value, Georgia, $73. Just so so when we create this sort of dynamic visualizations, the end users can easily create their visuals what they want in the next step, so they can easily take a decision based on the data we have in the dashboard. So this is very powerful one, this will be Power BI, can be used in various scenarios with very helpful. And that's all from this video, and we will post more videos in coming days. And if you have any questions on this video, please post it in the comments. And if you see any other point that I missed in this video, also post it in the comments. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Have a good day. See you. Bye.